Another day wasted. Another will let you know.
Did you find anything at your room?
Not today then.
They have been saying this for weeks, Kartik. We are out of grocery now. Tanu's school fee is due. And she keeps asking about rent. Stop grabbing.
I know.
What do I?
I'm trying. I'm trying every day, Nandini. I don't know what to do.
So what I tell her? That your father is keep trying?
You don't know how hard it
No,
is.
I do. But understanding doesn't pay bills. Anyways, come on, dinner is ready.
Papa, when will you buy me that toy which you promised?
Soon, beta. As soon as I get a good job. How long can this go on? Maybe they are better off without me.
You were very lucky, Karthik. Only surface injuries. You could have gotten seriously hurt. But now, you just need to get some rest and just settle the deal before you discharge.
But doctor, I don't have any money right now. I won't be able to pay you.
That's okay. I give you 2 to 3 days to settle the deal. Just go home and get rest. Okay?
Thank you, doctor.
You can visit me again if something serious happens.
Thank you, doctor. Ma'am, please, I need money. Sir, please, I need money, sir. I have been excuse me. Sir.
You are lost, Bacha? Believe me, I can see the future and I know you are desperate. You are looking for ways to make money. So just believe in me and do what I say. I am the Holy Spirit of Icarus. I can see the future and don't argue with me. Just invest in stock markets and see how your future explodes.
How do you know all this? Who are you? How can I trust you, Baba?
Do what I say. Believe in the Holy Spirit of Icarus. Invest in Vivian and see how your money rises.
But that's gambling, Baba.
No, that's not gambling. That's enough. You are arguing with me. It is a company and you are putting faith in that company. It means you are putting faith in me. So do what I say.
Do as you say, Baba. I'll do as you say.
That's enough.
Where's my phone? Baba? Baba?
Kartik? What?
Nandini, I found a way. Nandini.
Where were you last night? We were worried about you. Sit. Calm down. Calm down. What happened to you? What
I
is
found
this?
a way, Nandini.
What
I met
is
the
this?
Almighty, the all-knowing
Calm
Nandini.
down,
I met
calm
the
down.
Baba. He has a way. We'll be rich soon, Nandini. Nandini, get my laptop.
What?
I'm breaking my FD, Nandini. Get my laptop.
Wait, let me bring. Where were you last time? We were worried about you. And what is this? What happened to you?
Nandini, I met that Baba. He said,
Who Baba?
He said, if we invest in Vivian stocks, we'll be rich soon. It will solve all our problems,
Do you
Nandini.
think we can trust him?
Nandini, he's the Almighty. He knows everything. If we invest in Vivian stocks, we'll be rich soon,
Still,
Nandini.
I suggest you. Once you have
Nandini,
to.
we need to break the FD, Nandini. We need to break the FD. Let's see what the status of the stocks is. Who knows I might be rich?
Papa, help me with the Mumbai.
No,
Papa, help me with the Mumbai.
I can't right now. Why isn't this moving? This has to work. This needs to work.
Papa, I want to see cartoon.
Hey, beta, Tanu, show me. Show me that news.
Breaking news. Shares of Green Harvest Foods are surging this morning. Investors are seeing massive
Yes,
gains.
it worked. It worked. We are rich. Yes. Why is this door open? Tanu? See, I got something for you. Tanu? Nandini? 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 Yes? Yes, doctor? What? Nandini, what happened to Nandini? I'll come straight away. Nandini.
Mr. Carter, I need you to listen carefully. Nandini's heart is in a very devastating state. Her condition is worsening. The severity of this cannot be handled in India. You need to go to the United States.
No, doctor.
Kartik, I'm so scared.
There has to be another way, doctor, please.
Don't worry. It will be a costly affair. Time is critical. I want you to calm down, think, and plan. We need you to do something fast, or she might lose her life.
Kartik, I'm so scared.
Don't worry. I'll do everything to save you, Nandini.
Kartik, I'm so scared.
It's you again, Kartik Bacha.
Yes, Baba. I was looking for you, Baba. Please, I need my Baba for one last time, Baba. Baba, my wife, Baba.
Put your faith in God. What do you think is the most important thing for you? Food, right? So invest in the food product stock.
Yes, I'll do everything you say,
Faith in
Baba.
God. Have faith in God.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Baba, I need to do something. I need to find more money.
Hey, yo, Karthik, where are you going, dude?
Abhijit, thank God I found you.
What happened to you,
I
man?
knew you would be at your usual spot.
You look like you've seen a ghost. What happened, dude?
Abhijit, it's Nandini. The doctors say she's getting worse. The only treatment possible is in the US. I don't have money, Abhijit.
Calm down, calm down. You don't have to explain everything, man. I've got you. How much money?
Anything you can spell, Abhijit. I've tried everything.
All right.
Sold all my property and
Don't worry
doctors.
about it, brother. I've got you. Go save your wife. Give her a fighting chance. Go. I'll send it to you. Take care of your wife, okay?
Thank you.
Take care of
Abhijit.
yourself. Best of luck.
I'll never forget your favor, Abhijit. I'll send you all the money back as soon as possible.
Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
Go.
Come to Nandini. I'll come straight up.
Hello? Yes?
No! This can't happen. No!
Hello? Yeah, dude, the stocks you told me to invest in all crashed. Thank God I did not invest in that. Yeah, it crashed, man.
A shocking revelation has just surfaced. The CEO of Green Harvest Foods is reportedly in heavy debt. Insider sources claim he may attempt fraud, siphoning funds and running a
viral right now.
business.
It has people.
Hey, you know, everyone I know uses Icarus.
Wow.
Baba? Baba?
Dude, I'm telling you, Icarus is crazy. It doubled my money in less than a day. You should try it out today. Icarus helps save lives.
Icarus is like a god for me. Icarus has made my life so much better. Icarus helps make money. Icarus helps me in my studies.
Icarus is crazy.
Dude, you lost all the money I gave you? That to gambling on stocks? You deserved it, man.
Abhijit! Abhijit!
Because of you, we have lost everything. We have no money, no home to stay. I'm taking Tanvi with me and go away. Tell them.
Nandini! Nandini!
Who are you?
You still didn't get it. Did you? I'm just your other personality. I'm just you. But better you.
I don't understand anything. What is happening with me, God?
It was me who made you rich. It was me who gave you all the information about the stocks.
But what about that Baba? That Icarus?
You remember that accident? The day you were going to kill yourself? That accident birthed me. That was when I was created. I was the one who saved you and your family.
But if you were trying to save me, then what about that loss? I lost everything. My wife, my kids, my property, my friends. Everything. I lost everything. Why did that loss occur? Why? If the app predicted the correct stocks for 2 times, then where did it go wrong?
I don't know. I just used Icarus. I just did what it said me to do. I'm not the one who fooled you. I'm not the one who made you a great loss. I just did what Icarus said me to do.
But what should I do now? Can I really trust this Icarus?